Thank you all for showing up to our second event of the year. Who's here haven't been to DevTO before? Have not, yeah. All right, cool. So lots of new faces. Thank you all for showing up and giving us a shot. We've been doing this for 6 years now, and 60 years, yes, 6 years. Exactly. Thank you all for showing up. If you need to reach any one of us, you can contact us online. DevTO.ca is where you get all the information. The hashtag for the event is #DevTO. So anything you tweet today, pictures, quotes from speakers, please just include that hashtag. And if you have any feedback, you can come up to me or anybody else from the organizers to talk to us about your experience today and how we can make this even better. So do join the mailing list at DevTO.ca. That's how we get a lot of different information out to you guys from events that we're doing or events that are happening in the city that we're working on or partnering up with other community groups and organizations. Tickets launch on the first Monday of every month, so next week. And then everything is up on the Meetup website from past events, videos, presentations on the website. And we're always looking for speakers for our events. We're usually about booking 6 months in advance, so you've got plenty of time to think about something to talk about, but do get your name on the list. So that's, send us an email at talks@devto.ca with some description of what you would be interested in speaking about, and we'll look into that. And now for all our sponsors. So without these amazing companies, we wouldn't be able to do this free event every month for 6 years. So thank you all to these great partners and sponsors for DevTO. And we're going to start off with Hired and our recruiting sponsor.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Darcy. I'm a talent advocate with Hired. So we are essentially a marketplace that helps connect skilled technical talent with employers in the tech community in Toronto. So as a candidate, if you're interested, you're looking for a new job, you simply create a profile on Hired. We'll let you know if you're a good fit or not. And essentially, employers apply to you. They'll let you know what roles they've got available, and then you can decide if it's a good fit for you or not. And if you are looking to hire and you want to know what that's about, essentially you get access to a group of qualified candidates that is actively looking for a job. So really decreases time to hire. So also, if you get a job through us, I forgot the most important piece. You get $1,000 and a bottle of Dom. So just some sweet perks there also. So check us out. Hired.com.
Our next partner is Mercatus. Here.
Good evening. My name is Dave Mandar. I'm with Mercatus. I'm the recruitment lead here in Toronto. Mercatus is a Canadian organization. We build e-commerce solutions and marketing digital solutions for the grocery industry. Not a lot of you probably heard of us because most of our clients are in the US, but we are very proud to support DevTO. We are huge advocates of collaboration as part of our culture. We love working with other organizations and we want to collaborate with smart individuals in the industry. So in support of that, I'm here tonight to let you know that we're growing. We are hiring, and if anyone wants to have a conversation about a great career opportunity, we'd love to talk.
Thank you. Top Hat over there.
Great. Hey everybody, I'm Ray from Top Hat. So Top Hat is a young company in the education technology space. We have a goal of making teaching both fun and effective. And so we're trying to do that by changing the way professors are interacting with their classes. For example, one big initiative that we have right now is our content publishing initiative. So we're trying to create a content marketplace that really takes on the big textbook publishers in the post-secondary space. And you may have heard in the news recently, we just raised another 20 or so million in funding to do that. So we're obviously growing, trying to be really aggressive in the market, and we're looking for new people. We're right downtown at Young College. We're actually moving to right near Avenue and Bloor at some point this year. We have a really cool new office. interested in hearing out more, come talk to me, Ray, or check us out online. Thanks.
A new sponsor joined us last month, and that's HackerU. I'm not sure if I saw them here, but so they're one of Toronto's first, I guess, boot camps. And if you're interested in upgrading various skills, or you know someone that wants to get into development, they do a variety of web development workshops and for, I guess, a variety of different skills. So check them out at hackeru.com. Our education partners, Red Academy, not here either, and Brain Station as well. So they're both providing various workshops as well in the city. So wide variety of UX and design and a bunch of different SEO. So check those out as well for various courses to upgrade, I guess, to level up as developers. Finally, our hosts here, Pivotal. So thank you so much, Pivotal, for hosting us in this big space. If you are interested in sponsoring DevTO, please come talk to me or check out our sponsorship packages at DevTO.ca. We're always looking for sponsors to help us keep this event free and open for everybody in the city. How many of you have heard about IWDTO? We haven't been doing a good job here. Okay. All right, so next week is our 3rd annual International Women's Day Talks. We're flying in speakers from across North America to talk about their careers as women in tech. So our speakers this year are Mina Markham. She was a web developer on the Hillary for America campaign. So she's going to share her story. Tammy Everts comes from Vancouver, BC, and she comes with 20 years of experience on web performance and studying the intersection of fast websites and business results. So she's going to share about that. And finally, Lisa Gelopter, who had a wide range of, I guess, work in consumer companies and is taking that consumer focus to the government as the Chief Digital Officer for the Department of Education in the United States. So lots of interesting content, lots of great speakers, and we look forward to seeing you there. We're going to give out 5 pairs of tickets tonight. So I'll post that up. DevTO send me to IWDTO after the talks. But tickets are only $25 if you don't win, and I hope to see a lot of you there next week. We're also actually, and if your companies are interested, we're offering this company night out package, so you can kind of send your team at work to the event. So it's 10 tickets and gets you basically inclusion on this list of great sponsors that have joined the list to support us for this year. For FITC, we've got our discount code for Spotlight React March 4th. So that's the code. DevTO gives you 10% off. And that's happening March 4th in Toronto. We've also put up a partnership with FITC where every month we are going to be kind of sharing various events and discount codes for you guys to take advantage of. So check us out and check out the newsletter to get up-to-date discount codes from various conferences. FSDO-CO as well. So that's the full stack conference happening in Toronto in October for people doing front end, back end, the whole stack basically, various tracks. So check that out. DevTO will save you 15% on registration, and the website is 2017.fsdo.co. Finally, the Toronto Tech Masters Slack channel is the official DevTO Slack channel. So if you want to keep in touch with the community in here and everywhere else in Toronto, that's the Slack channel you should get onto. There's thousands of people on there today, right now, chatting about a variety of different things, from jobs, from tips, debugging, problems, all sorts of interesting channels to keep in touch with the community between these events, whether it's DevTO or something else that you're attending.